Amon, I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
It's high time you buy a car.
Huh?
You commit on a daily and you want to convince me that you unatoshea kwa matatu. Na hii refu yako yote.
Alina!
Por favor, calm down. Kika zigzag kwa matatu na hii jam ya Thika Road. Si utavunjika mguu. Nunua Academia jamani.
It is really shameful.
I'm your niece. I care about your niece.
Talo.
You're looking for me words.
No, far from it. I'm looking out for you. You may not have someone to drive crazy, but at least you have a car to drive.
Emotional, damn it.
God have mercy upon us.